In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a custom crosshair on Xbox. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video. So, all you have to do is you need to install our widget from the widget store. You can press Win-G shortcut to open game bar interface, then click on to widget menu, then widget store, find simple crosshair widget, and then install it. Also, it is possible to install it from the Microsoft Store. You can start the widget from widgets menu, then pin it and enable click-through to make it always visible over all windows and transparent for the mouse clicks. Then start the HUD site 2 and enable Xbox game bar interaction option in the common settings, and that's all. You have connected your HDU site to copy with its game bar widget. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.